Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builds out here in Boca. We're doing a major renovation here, but I'm gonna show you what teamwork does here, man. I'm gonna show you what we do. This is my boy right here, Tony. He's doing American breaking and drilling, concrete cutting. Gets it done. As you can see, been watching this video. All this front here is gone. Remember, we had trees here, we had all kinds of stuff. This is the front part of it. Oh, that's going to be redone. I'm going to show you the facade, how that's going to end up when we all said and done. All right. Been watching. Look at my other videos. You'll see how this was the original. This is going to be 2 columns here on each side. There are 2 columns. It's going to be like a what do they call it? Portico or whatever? I know I'm saying it wrong. This roof is coming off here. We got to take that off. Those windows are coming out. Coming back here. You probably won't be able to hear me now, and that's fine. But as you can see, we got the usual suspects out here. And look at that beautiful butterfly. Oh, that's fine. Look at that butterfly. Okay, get back here. So if you've been watching, this is it right here. All that wall, you remember I told you that wall's coming out? It's on the ground. This wall is coming out, it's next. Bringing the house back. They're cutting everything up so we can get rid of it. That roof right there is gonna come off here. That's part of the roof that's gonna be coming off. Remember, we had junk over here that's been in the dumpster. This is wood I'm gonna use for forming. We got posts shoring up. But we got the usual suspects out here, man. This is the team right here. That whole thing came down. So, taking that out, the house is gonna come back to here. Eventually they're gonna do something probably with the pool. And if you see, they took these hedges out because over here, we probably got another, I don't know, maybe 15 feet that we can go, even with that fence over there. So they'll probably bring this out. That's another project though. That's what my guy's doing. So we have the proper thing to get a lot of things done. So we'll go outside. We'll go outside again, and the whole idea of this project as we navigate through everything, it's not a house over here that's going to look similar to, but if it's going to look similar to something, it's going to be probably that one right there. One we got the metal roof on, the front of it. The pop-up is going to be probably like similar to this a little bit that we're building, because we got the 2 columns that we're going to have. And I'm gonna show you that. So it's all good. We're just gonna keep this thing moving, and American Breaking is part of the team to get it all, make it all happen. Remember you saw all this? Okay, keep watching. Peace.